Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is a special video as it is Unpolished by Aggie's birthday. You all know I absolutely love Aggie to pieces. She is a fantastic woman. She is one of the most genuine women I have come across whilst doing YouTube. I absolutely adore her. I adore her nail art. She also has a YouTube channel, and if you aren't already subscribed to her, go subscribe to her now. You will absolutely love her videos. She's funny, she's very informative, she shares all the good deals that are going, and I'm sure 100% you will absolutely love her channel. So today we are going to be doing some nail art to sort of celebrate Aggie's birthday. I'm going to be going with a Mickey Mouse cross Louis Vuitton sort of theme set. Aggie, I really hope you like him. Of course they're pink, they had to be pink. But yeah, I hope you'll enjoy them anyway. In true style of Aggie, I will be talking throughout this nail art video. If you watch me on a regular, you know that I don't really talk throughout my videos. I tend to just sort of whack on some music and speed it all up. I am going to be still speeding it up, but I'm going to be doing a voiceover just so I can sort of talk to you guys a bit whilst I'm doing the video. Make sure you head on over to Aggie's channel, wish her a massive happy birthday. I will leave her channel in the description box and in the comments, of course. But other than that, let's crack on, and I hope you all enjoy. Okay, so I have pre-painted my base as I always do. I'm using the pink from the Macaroon collection by Yukio. I love that collection. I've had it for longer than its expiration date, I'm sure, but I don't care. It's still fine, absolutely fine. And then I'm also using 011 white from Emily. I'm starting off by painting Mickey Mouse onto the middle finger here. So I'm using 119 from Emily for the sort of the base of his face. It's one of my favourite gel polishes, this one. You guys probably see me using it frequently. It's definitely up there with one of my favourites for sure. But yeah, I'm just painting Mickey Mouse's face here really. And then I decided to go in and do his ears and sort of like shape him a bit more, sort of make him look a bit more like Mickey Mouse. I'm using the black from Emily. I can't remember off the top of my head what number it is, but I think they only do one black gel polish. So if you just like look on Amazon, you can find it on there. It's £5 a bottle for a 10ml bottle, and it's really good black. I really like it. So I'm just sort of doing Mickey Mouse's ear and then going down towards his face here, trying to sort of make him look like Mickey Mouse. If you guys have ever wondered how I go about painting my images, basically I will search on Google and find the image that I want to sort of try and replicate, and then my phone will be sat right next to me and I will just keep looking back and forth through that whilst I'm painting, trying to sort of copy the image, if that makes sense. I know a lot of people get a pencil and they'll draw out a design on the nail with a pencil before they paint it, but I don't. I just dive straight in and hope for the best. I'd probably have a bit more luck with my freehand if I did actually draw it out beforehand, but I never do. I just do it my way, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with the results here anyway. But as you can see, I'm going back in with that Yukio pink, and I'm just sort of painting the background of Mickey Mouse pink. This set was sort of a bit like one of those where I sort of made it up as I go along. I sort of had like a rough idea of what I wanted to do, but then I changed my mind a lot throughout painting it, and just sort of, yeah, you guys see the end results in a minute, and I'm pretty happy with them, and I really hope that Aggie likes it too. So I'm just doing Mickey's nose here, and he has like a little crease above his nose, which is what that random line is. And then I go in and do his mouth. I do neaten this up a bit more in a minute. This is just sort of like a template kind of thing, just sort of to get an idea. And then I'm using the white basically just to make the colour of his tongue more sort of opaque when I put the colour on in a moment. I always do that. If I'm doing like a colour on top of a colour, I'll always put a white underneath just to sort of make that top colour come through more, because otherwise it just, yeah, it looks very sheer and you can barely see the colour, so it's always good to put a white underneath. I'm just doing Mickey Mouse's eyes here. And then I'm going in with the Lily Q LC63. I literally got this gel polish from Amazon for like 20 something p, and it's actually really good. It was a perfect colour for Mickey's tongue, and I'm really happy with it. I've only got 2 of these gel polishes, but I'm definitely going to be getting more. But yeah, it turned out to be a perfect colour for Mickey's tongue, so I'm really happy about that. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Like, I know he's not perfect, but I'm not the perfect painter. I do struggle, and yeah, I'm still pretty proud of it though. I really enjoy painting him. Okay, so then we are doing some stamping with some gel polish, which I've never done before. I've seen other people doing it, and because I wanted to do the Louis Vuitton monogram, I wanted it to be the same colour as all the other nails. I only have one pink stamping polish, and it's a completely different shade of pink. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to give it a go stamping with gels, and it is hard. It is really hard, but I've done my best, and I ended up going in with the detailing brush and just filling in a few bits that didn't sort of transfer properly. I basically picked up the design off the stamping plate. I cured it for 30 seconds. Some people say to do it for 10, but that just wasn't enough for me. So I went in and done it for 30 seconds, and that seemed to be the trick for me. It was a struggle. I did end up ruining it a few times. I had to keep redoing it and redoing it and redoing it, but I got there in the end. And then I wanted to sort of incorporate some black into this nail, so I decided to paint sort of a silhouette of Mickey Mouse over a couple of the sort of monogram bits, just to sort of keep it that Mickey Mouse vibe and just bring a bit of black into that nail, since there's black on the other nails as well, and I just sort of wanted to blend together a bit better. So yeah, I was quite happy with how that turned out. It was a struggle, and I was sat there for quite a while trying to do the stamping with the gel polish, and it's not something I'm going to be doing on a regular, that's for sure. But here on the index finger, I'm painting a white circle because I'm going in with the nude colour again, and like I was saying just before, if I'd gone in with that nude colour on top of that pink, you would not be able to see it, so I sort of used the white to brighten up that nice nude colour. And then I'm going in and grabbing one of these circular Louis Vuitton monogram stamps again and stamping that on. I do realise now that I probably could have done a better job if I just freehand painted it. Stamping is just not my strong point. I should have just freehand painted it because it's an easy enough design anyway, so I don't know why I didn't do that really. But as you can see, again, I'm sort of converting it into a Mickey Mouse head, but with the Louis Vuitton monogram sort of thing in the middle. You know, it's part of the monogram, it's not quite the I don't really know what I'm on about, but you guys can see what I'm doing anyway. I thought it was quite cute, but this is all very spontaneous, literally thought of on the spot. I knew initially I was going to be doing a Mickey Mouse set, but I didn't really know what else I was doing from there. See, I actually got these stamping plates from a seller that Aggie did recommend to me from AliExpress, and this was actually the first time I used them in this video here. But I really love them, they're really nice plates. But yeah, I've just put the Louis Vuitton wording on the baby finger there, and I do also put another Louis Vuitton print on there as well, but for some reason I didn't film that, I don't know what happened. And then I'm going in with some black rhinestones, just sort of add a bit more black to that ring finger, sort of just pull it all together a bit. I'm hoping it looks okay. I thought it looked okay. I'm pretty happy with this set. They're not perfect, but they're not too bad. So there we go, that is the end result of the set. Like I said, I'm pretty happy with how they turn out. Like, they're not perfect, and I'm sorry for that, but I still quite like them. Aggie, I really hope that you like them. I know you like your nails that aren't too busy, so I've tried to keep them relatively simplistic. And yeah, I really hope you like them. I've really enjoyed doing them for you. It was my first time using these extra long tips as well. Like, they're quite cool, I quite like them. I'm not sure about the length, but it's nice to have like a big space to work on. Aggie, I hope you have a fantastic birthday. I love you to pieces. Aggie is actually one of my oldest friends here on YouTube. She has been with me since before I hit my 200 subs. She actually won my first ever giveaway, which was my 200 subscriber giveaway. So she has been with me a long time now. I've been doing YouTube for a year and 6 months now, I believe. So it's like 18 months now Aggie has been here with me. She has supported not only me, but absolutely freaking everybody. Like, she is on everyone's video, she's always there for support. I don't know how she does it, but she never seems to miss a video. She is one of the most supportive, loveliest, funniest, honest women on this platform. And seriously, if you're not subscribed to her, please do, because she's brilliant at everything. Like, she's just such a lovely person, and her videos are excellent, they're top quality. She knows what she's on about. She's very informative, and she's just all round great. Her nail art is fantastic. So I will leave her channel in the description box and in the comments, so definitely head on over and subscribe to her. I also know some of the other girls have also done a birthday set for Aggie, so I will also leave all of their videos down in the description box as well. Please head on over and check them out, and also subscribe to them as well. But other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic day. Again, happy birthday, Aggie. And yeah, much love to you all. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!